Okay, be honest with me. How many of you are eating clean, working out regularly, doing everything right, but you're still tired all the time? Still can't lose that stubborn belly fat? Still dealing with dry skin, random anxiety, or weird digestive issues? Yeah, I see you nodding. Here's what's actually happening: it's not your diet, it's not your workout routine, and it's definitely not your willpower. The problem is your liver, and it's been screaming for help, but nobody taught you how to listen. A brand new study just revealed something absolutely mind blowing about how we can protect this organ naturally. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your body and the 5 steps to fix it starting today. But first, let me show you why your liver is such a big deal. Okay, so your liver weighs just a little over 3 pounds. That's it. But this small organ is doing 500 different jobs in your body every single day. Think about it. It's filtering every single drop of blood flowing through your body, breaking down all the toxins you're exposed to, making bile to digest your food, storing your vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, controlling your blood sugar levels, managing your cholesterol, and even supporting your immune system. But here's the thing nobody talks about. When your liver gets overwhelmed, everything starts falling apart. Can't lose weight? That's your liver struggling with fat metabolism. Always tired? Your liver can't regulate blood sugar properly. Dry, dull skin? Your liver isn't detoxifying your blood. You have hormonal issues? Your liver can't break down excess hormones. And the scariest part, your liver can be damaged for years before it shows up on a blood test. In fact, I'm going to tell you in just a minute what the real numbers should be on your liver test. And trust me, it's way different from what your doctor is looking at. But here's the good news: your liver is the only organ that can completely regenerate itself. Even if 75% of it is damaged, it can grow back. So if you give it the right support, it will heal. That's exactly what we're going to do today. So first, let's talk about what your liver does. There are 3 main things, and when even one of these gets messed up, your whole health goes downhill. Let me break it down for you. Number 1, filtration. Think of your liver like a tea strainer. Everything toxic has to pass through it first. And we're talking about toxins everywhere, be it pesticides on your vegetables, pollution in the air, chemicals in your shampoo, makeup, and even cleaning products, new furniture polish, fresh paint in your home, even those hairsprays when you visit a salon. Now imagine that tea strainer is full, blocked to the top. What happens? The toxins spill over into your blood and they stick to fat. Comment below if you've been eating clean and exercising but still can't lose that stubborn belly fat, because this might be the reason behind it. So those toxins get stored in your fat cells, your belly, thighs, everywhere. This is why some people literally cannot lose weight no matter what they do. And here's something fascinating: 70% of your liver's blood comes directly from your intestines. So your gut and liver are in constant conversation through the gut-liver axis. When your gut bacteria are messed up, what scientists call dysbiosis, your liver gets flooded with inflammatory waste. In fact, research shows that up to 75% of people with chronic liver disease also have gut microbiome imbalances. So if you've been told you have SIBO or IBS, your liver might be suffering too. But here's what you need to know. The biggest source of fat in a fatty liver is not dietary fat, it's actually fructose. Now, fructose is a type of sugar found naturally in fruits, but it's also there in almost every processed food as high fructose corn syrup or table sugar. And here's the problem. Unlike glucose, which your whole body can use for energy, fructose can only be processed by your liver. And why are we seeing fatty liver cases in kids? It's because of this fructose only. Because we can't always control what our kids eat, right? Sophie, my daughter, loves her cookies and treats. So here's what I do. I add our probiotics, prebiotics fiber blend to her pancake batter or cookie dough. This supports her gut bacteria so they can actually process fructose better before it reaches her liver. Because when your gut is healthy, it protects your liver. The second function your liver performs is breaking down. Your liver makes special enzymes to break down toxins so they can leave your body through urine. When your liver is overworked, these enzymes shoot up. That's what shows as high liver enzymes in your blood test. So standard labs say your liver enzymes AST and ALT are fine up to 40 and 56. But according to research, these should not be above 20. That means by the time your doctor says your liver enzymes are high, the damage has been happening for months or even years already. Third, emulsification. Every time you eat, your liver produces bile that breaks down fats. But when your liver is struggling, it makes less bile. So fats and toxins go down to your intestines undigested. Your gallbladder has to work overtime. This is actually how gallstones form. It's not a gallbladder problem. Again, it's a liver problem first. And when you can't digest fats, your skin gets super dry, you feel bloated after meals, you become deficient in vitamins A, D, E, and K because these are all fat-soluble vitamins. So if you're taking vitamin D every day, but your levels aren't improving, this might be the reason. Alright, now let me show you what the warning signs are. If you have 3 or more of these, your liver needs help right now. You can't lose weight, have constant anxiety or moodiness, dark urine, high blood pressure, dry skin, easy bruising, low appetite, always tired, bloating and gas, or autoimmune issues like thyroid problems, arthritis, or hair loss. Type liver in the comments if you have at least 3 of these. Let's see how many of you are in the same boat. Alright, it's time to actually heal your liver. I'll tell you 5 simple steps to fix your liver. Pick even just one to start with today. Step number 1. Go low carb. When your liver is busy processing carbs all day, it has zero bandwidth left for detox. Here's what happens. Carbs get converted into glucose and then stored as glycogen. But when the storage gets full, it turns into fat. So if you need 1 roti, don't eat 3. Cut the sugar, even what they call the healthy ones like jaggery and dates. Give your liver some breathing space. Number 2. Fix your stomach acid. Low stomach acid means undigested food reaches your liver, creating even more work. To increase your stomach acid, take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water 1 hour before meals. Add bitter foods like Karela, Methi, and consider taking a betaine HCl supplement between your lunch. Third, dump all vegetable oils. This is non-negotiable. Most people's omega-6 to omega-3 ratio is 25:1 when it should be 1:1. This imbalance occurs because most vegetable oils are rich in omega-6, not omega-3. This imbalance drives fatty liver disease, which affects 25% of adults. So guys, get rid of sunflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil. Instead, use extra virgin coconut oil, ghee, or homemade butter for cooking. Increase omega-3s in your diet by consuming fatty fish or a high-quality krill oil supplement. 4. Eat inulin-rich foods daily. A study published in Nature Metabolism found that in mice fed a high fructose diet, supplementation with the soluble fiber inulin reshaped the gut microbiome so that bacteria more effectively metabolized fructose before it reached the liver. This prevented or reversed fructose-induced fatty liver and improved insulin resistance, demonstrating a protective effect of inulin-adapted microbiota on liver health. So add inulin-rich foods to your daily cooking like onions, garlic. They are an absolute game changer. Other than these, bitter vegetables like Karela, fresh vegetable juices, and dandelion greens also help. These foods change your gut bacteria in a way that protects your liver from fructose damage. They literally train your microbiome to intercept harmful sugars before they cause problems. Number 5. Supplementation. Now this is where things get powerful. While food is the foundation, certain supplements provide concentrated liver support. I'm telling you some ingredients that actually make your liver cells regenerate. First is milk thistle, the gold standard for liver health, with over 2,000 years of traditional use. According to research, milk thistle exhibits its hepatoprotective properties through 3 major mechanisms. It works as an antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory, and an anti-fibrotic substance. And NAC, N-acetylcysteine. This is a precursor to glutathione, your liver's master antioxidant. It reduces oxidative stress and has been used successfully in treating chronic fatty liver disease. When GGT levels are elevated, they actually break down glutathione, so supplementing with NAC helps restore this critical antioxidant. At My Duty, we formulated our liver detox supplement with the optimal combination of these ingredients in their most bioavailable forms, along with dandelion and beetroot extract, which also support bile production and help regenerate liver cells. I'll drop the link in the description for you to check out. And one more powerful thing you can do for your liver is intermittent fasting. Even starting with 12 to 14 hours of fasting gives your liver a break to focus on repair. I have many detailed videos on fasting, check those out too. So guys, your liver has been protecting you every single day without you even knowing. It filtered every toxin, processed every meal, and kept your body functions in place. But now with all the pollution, chemicals, processed foods and stress, it needs your help. Your liver can heal, your energy can come back, your weight can drop, your skin can glow. If this video made sense to you, hit that like button and share it with one person who needs to hear this. And if you have not already, subscribe for more real health content that actually works. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.